I am Nadia Muttalagu. I am one of the new assistant professor at the Department of Biotechnology, IIT Madras. So I started my PhD in Germany, University of Würzburg, and then kind of transferred to University of Glasgow to complete it. I also did my postdoctoral training at the Beatson Institute for Cancer Research, UK. So after like 11 years of research in abroad, when I wanted to come back to India, one thing I kept in mind is I wanted to be close to my home. So keeping that in mind, when I kind of shortlisted various institutes with high quality research, interdisciplinary research, IIT Madras is definitely top in the list. And another reason is IIT Madras kind of offers teaching as well. Because I strongly believe that sharing knowledge is important way of inspiring and empowering young generation, and I also believe that it's a mutual learning. They learn from me, I also learn from them, and it is one of the places, classroom is one of the places where kind of rounded responsible citizens are molded. That's why I chose IIT, which offers both high quality research and also teaching. One advice I would give to the young researcher is be curious, be passionate and honest in your approach. Lift each other up, ask for help, because it is as important as to your mental health, and work-life balance is very important, as important as your scientific research for sure. The most important contribution to the world, I would say it's not really I wouldn't consider my scientific contribution as the most important, but I think as a person who comes from a district which is mostly considered as backward in education in Tamil Nadu, and I am the first graduate from the family. And most of the time in the STEM field, we see a lot of female researcher at the PhD level. But if you consider above that, in the assistant professor or professor level, there are not that many women scientists. And when I talk to students, most often they say, this is due to lack of role models. They don't see themselves in higher positions, kind of to look up to. So I hope, coming from that background, as a first graduate women scientist, I hope to be inspiration to many more women that comes from not so well educated and full of opportunity background. And if I can think about one moment which is very special in my career, is when I got this L'Oreal UNESCO Women in Science Fellowship, because that time I was back from maternity leave, and then I was low on confidence. I was not very sure where my career trajectory is going to be. That time, this kind of recognition gave me the boost to follow PI lead and so on. Right, so now that I stepped into IIT Madras, one of my main goal is, of course, to do a high quality research, build an international standard research lab, and contribute to the scientific world through collaboration, through communication, and inspire young students, and especially women students, to aim for higher. Yeah, thank you.